Hello and welcome to Televend Box installation video. I will show you in detail, step by step, how to install our box into a Vending G-Drink machine. This installation is applicable actually for any MDB vending machine, so stay tuned. We have in this package also our payment reader, so let's see what you get when you order the Televend Box and our payment reader. Televend Box T36, Internet antenna, Bluetooth antenna, communication cable with machine, and reader TPAY 200 with appropriate cable. Before we physically install the box into the machine, we need to configure it on the cloud. But please keep in mind, we can do this in the back office before. I will do it now just for the showcase. Let's log in into the cloud and search for our machine which we are going to install. Go to Machines, search for the code of our machine, and now we will configure this on the cloud. First, let's configure the Televend box. Go to Setup, click on PID field, fill the serial number from your box, and press Save. Now scroll down to Televend Configuration and click Operation Mode. From the list, choose MDB Brain. For Price Mode, make sure Price and VMC is selected. Now scroll down to Payment Systems and make sure you disable all which you are not using. In our case, we have just a coin changer and Cashless 3, which is TPAY 200. So make sure you enable Cashless 3. In T-Wallet, choose Vending Recharge to enable our MagCheck application for cashless payment. In Bluetooth, select On Service Mode to enable potential offline data extraction. Click Save, and with this, your box is configured. Now let's configure TPAY 200. Again, go to Setup, scroll down to Televend Configuration and click Show Advanced Options. Now choose the currency applicable for your country. Now click Pre-selection for Cashless and choose Always Idle. Next, make sure APN2 tick box is enabled. Now scroll down and in Payment Systems make sure Cashless 3 is enabled. Press Save and TPAY 200 is ready. On the machine overview, let's go to Products. Click on Load Planogram and select your prepared planogram for this machine type from the list. Click Submit. Planogram is now pending, which means it's ready to be confirmed. First, we need to enter the machine menu itself and configure the machine. So let's check if the protocol is set to MDB. We go to Payment Settings, enter, and we enter Payment Protocol, and we make sure MDB is turned on. Here it's already turned on, so I'll just confirm. Now in the common settings, we need to make sure that MDB selection number is turned on in the machine. Let's enter, and it's already yes, so this is okay. This is important because otherwise the vending machine will send motor number instead of selection numbers in the vend list. Now in the payment settings, we need to make sure that cashless price display is turned on because Televend is the master for the prices. We see it's turned on, so this is okay. In the payment settings, we need to check if the pre-selection mode is turned on. So let's enter pre-selection mode and switch from no to yes. First, we can plug in the antennas and communication cable to the box. This is a Bluetooth antenna, goes into this port, marked BLE. Then we have a GSM antenna, which goes to the other port, where it says 2G, 3G, 4G. And now we can plug in the MDB communication cable over here. Now, since the box has two magnet stripes, it's easy to just put inside the machine. So let's position it, for example, here, and the antenna here. Now we have these two MDB branches coming from Televend Box. We need to plug it in first to the machine and then to the payment system. Let's find the existing connection. So this is a connection between the machine and the coin changer. We need to plug this off and plug in Televend Box first to the VMC and simply the other branch to the payment system chain, which in this case is the coin changer. Now we mount the TPAY 200, which has these 4 standard screws. We position it on the front of the machine. TPAY 200 comes with this cable. This side goes to the back of the reader and this USB part goes to the box. So first let's plug in this part. And this part goes to the USB port of the box. Now we can turn on the power supply. The blue lamp will blink until the box connects. First connection may take up to 2 minutes because the card is scanning the network. Once the blue lamp is stable, the box is connected. Now we go to the cloud and check the connection status. In the overview, we see status is OK and signal is online. It's perfect 100%. Next step, we can push those planogram which we prepared. This is a really useful step because now when we push, these prices will be written into the machine because the box here is the master for the prices. So when we press push, OK, you can immediately see that the box blinked and that the new prices have been applied. If we go to the events, we see product list updated just now. And finally, we can make a purchase to confirm successful installation. Let's dial, for example, 25, tap, and it's approved. On the cloud, we can check in the vend list if the vend appeared. Here we can see 59 seconds ago, cola was purchased from column 25. And this is all. With this, we have successfully installed Televend Box into this Vending G-Drink machine. This installation is representative for any machine which has MDB protocol. So if you have any questions or difficulties, feel free to contact us on support@televend.com and our team will be happy to assist you.